Everybody just calm down.
Our story of the day is I Promise, written by LeBron James. LeBron James. Bizzy, can you say happy birthday to LeBron? Yeah, happy birthday. Wow, let's see what happens to this story. Let's see. I promise to work hard and do what's right, to be a leader in this game of life. I promise. Bizzy, you promise to be a leader? Okay, buddy, okay. I promise to go to school and read as much as I can, to follow the rules and respect the game plan. Always respect the game plan, my little ones. Whoa, they're having fun in the classroom. I promise to run full court and show up each time, to get right back up and let my magic shine. Gotta get on up, girl. Hey, Bizzy, shh, everybody just calm down. I promise to be open and try new things and enjoy the happy that change can bring. Whoa, look at her. She's learning how to jump off the dive board and swim. I promise to wear a big smile and use kindness when I speak, to remain strong yet humble with every win and defeat. It's always important to remain humble, my little ones. You too, Bizzy. Remain humble, man. Everybody just calm down. I promise to ask for help whenever I need it, to reach for my star, even when I can't see it. Bizzy, where's the star? Oh no, matter of fact, everyone that's watching, my little ones, y'all are all stars. I promise to ask questions and find answers, to believe in the next time and second chances. Whoa, my little king just got an A on his test. I believe in second chances. I promise. Whoa! I promise to use my voice and stand up for what's right. And when things get tough, to keep up the fight. Stand up for your rights, my little ones. Believe in what you want to do. You can do anything you want in life. Ain't that right, Bizzy? Yeah, you Jeezy boys. I promise to stand tall, rise up, and give all that I got. To throw the Aloud and uplift others on the spot. It is so important to support each other, uplift each other. We got each other's back, my little ones. Whoa, look at that. What is that? A basketball. We playing basketball. I promise to respect my elders and the parents the same, to leave new places better than I came. Skrrr. Whoa, what does that say? Stop, that's a stop sign. It's important to stop before you cross the road. I promise to stay true, keep my head up, and never give up, no matter what. I promise to dream big and love bigger, to be a team player and a winner. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. You a winner too, Bizzy. Yes, you are. I promise to cross bridges and break down walls, to rise with the sun and to learn from the falls. Whoa! It's okay to learn from your mistakes. I promise we'll all learn. I promise to be courageous, to be free, to strive for greatness. Uh-oh, Bizzy, what's gonna happen next? I don't know. I'm so excited. Guess what? I promise. The end.